These ingredients right here will be in the description box below, so you can get your ingredients and follow along and make this absolutely delicious, simple recipe that's gonna have you in the game. All right, fam, we're gonna start off with about 3 tablespoons of butter. Hey, you know butter makes everything better. While this butter is melting down, I'm gonna go ahead and add in my onions. And we're gonna get these sauteed. Now after we got these onions cooked down, we're gonna add us some garlic in. And you already know, if you've been following me for a while, hey, once you add that garlic in, you already know your fam coming out. And they gonna be asking you what you're making. And you're gonna say, hey, some delicious tomato soup. So once that garlic starts becoming fragrant, hey, we're gonna go ahead and add in our crushed tomatoes. And I got 2 cans of this because we're gonna make a nice little helping of tomato soup. Now I'm also gonna add me about 2 cups of chicken broth. Then along with the broth, I'm gonna add me about a tablespoon of sugar just to balance out the acidity. What I wanna do is I wanna get this extra creamy, you know, get those onions and that tomato, you know, done up right. So we're gonna go to work. Bam, there we go right there. Hey, nice. Hey, it's gonna be silky, it's gonna be smooth tomato soup, fam. Hey, we in the game. Now we're gonna add in a little bit of heavy whipping cream, about 1/2 cup. Then I got me some basil. I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of basil. Fam, I tell you about that 16 mesh pepper. Hey, comes in handy. Hey, you don't have to grind. All you gotta do is sprinkle. Then I'm gonna go in with a little bit of oregano, about a teaspoon's worth. And then I'm gonna hit it with a dash of salt. I'm gonna grate me some Romano cheese. Hey, this is gonna be absolutely delicious. You can go with Parmesan if you like. Hey, save some to grate at the end. We're gonna let this come up to like a little soft boil for about 10 minutes or so. Let the cheese melt. Hey, we're gonna be in the game. Hey, it's smelling good, it's looking good. We're gonna give it a stir. Like I said, we let this go. Actually, it's been going a little bit longer than 10 minutes because we've been working on that grilled cheese. But look at it, man. Yes, sir, nice. Creamy. Hey, it smells absolutely delicious, fam. Then get you a nice little bowl. Hey, yes, sir, look at that. And we hit it with that Romano cheese on top. Hey, go with however much you like. And then I'm gonna hit it with some green onions, just for a little garnish, a little bit more flavor. And then all you gotta do is serve that with a nice little piece of grilled cheese. Ooh, that's oh so ooey gooey. Hey, just like that. Hey, yes, sir. Hey, we in the game.